Graphene Solar Panels, pioneering the next generation of solar energy. Solar energy is a key renewable resource, but current solar panels struggle in low light and rainy conditions. Graphene solar panels offer a revolutionary solution using graphene, a super-thin, highly conductive material made of carbon atoms. This next-generation technology promises greater efficiency, even in cloudy or rainy weather, making solar power more reliable. One of the most exciting features of graphene solar panels is their ability to generate electricity from rain. Through the triboelectric effect, the friction between raindrops and the graphene surface produces an electrical charge, allowing these panels to continue generating power during rainstorms. This addresses a major limitation of traditional solar panels, particularly in regions with inconsistent sunlight. Graphene panels are also lightweight and flexible, unlike traditional heavy, rigid, silicon-based panels. This flexibility means they can be integrated into various surfaces, from clothing to windows. Imagine buildings with solar-powered windows or vehicles with solar panels embedded in their exteriors, applications that could greatly expand the use of solar energy. Despite their promise, graphene solar panels are still in development and face challenges related to cost and scalability. Producing high-quality graphene affordably is a major hurdle, as is incorporating it into current solar technologies. However, with ongoing research, these obstacles may be overcome. As costs decrease and production improves, graphene solar panels could unlock the full potential of solar energy, making it more efficient and accessible for a world shifting to renewable power.